Thunder Ranch double barrel sawed-off shotgun. And we'll shoot a couple more. These 12 gauge. And I got a pocket. I think I found one more in there. We'll load this bad boy up there. See what we can do here. Woo! Got one living in the tree right there. I think I got him. What do you got? A couple more there,
yep.
Bob? Bob gave us a couple more here, so we'll see what we can do with these. Oh, looked like you did a little bit of tree trimming here. There you go, Jazz. That took care of that poison ivy bush. Thanks, guys.